How's everyone doing? I got a little treat for y'all. Check out this beauty. I'm sorry. I love these kinds of cars. This is a 1992 Mercedes Benz 300E with 18-inch monoblocks. Just gonna go, car's on. I'm gonna go around the car, show you a little video, show you this baby. She's not all that clean right now, but the paint is all original on this car. Paint is original on this car. Hard to find one in this condition. A bit hard to find one in this condition. Wait till you see the interior. It's like a white on gray. Car runs and drives great. You could add this to your collections. It's like a nice little Sunday car. It's like a nice little Sunday car. Pull it out once in a blue. You want to go to a little show, you know. This car's always turning heads. Check out this interior. Those seats looks like they never sat in there. Check this baby out. She's got 161,000 miles. Look at the condition of this car. Mats just got to be cleaned out a little bit, but check out those seats. Look at those. Look at that door. She's got a little aftermarket radio. Look at this. Look at the back. The back, I don't think anyone's ever sat in the back. Look at the roof. A little chip right there. Bought this car a little over a year ago. She's done me well. I enjoyed her. I think it's time somebody else enjoyed her. Car's actually low. I lowered the suspension. Drives very good. Nice, clean. 1992 300E. Clean, super clean. Get It Go Auto. Subscribe. GetItGoAuto.com. Got a nice price on this car. Stay tuned for this other nice little classic I got about to show you guys. Come check me out. I got a good decent price on this car.